Hi, welcome back with another important topic. So, try these secret ways of for social SAP learning for freshers and experienced professionals. Okay, so let's try to check. So before that, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. And all these are the different various set of Udemy courses available at my end. You can utilize this as an opportunity. Okay, probably we'll get back to this, and let's get into the topic. Okay, so this I told before you also, but I am now telling with clear mindset what you have to do. Okay, so I told you LinkedIn, Facebook, Telegram, and SAP groups and other websites. Why you have to join? Here, what happens? Real-time professionals, certain times, especially in LinkedIn and the Telegram, and probably like SAP groups, not much nowadays in Facebook, they will post real-time issues. Okay, and they will give you the documentation, SAP documentation in respect of the module, and your job opportunities will come to know. Then, what are you talking about? Double chances with double profiles. Okay, keep it. Once you are trying to enter into the professional environment, for example, if you join in TCS, if you joined in Wipro, if you joined in some other thing, like what is your real true email ID is there. With that, you keep that profile, it's safe. How maximum you can able to avoid social networking, that you can avoid, how much you required, you can do that real. Okay, so you have one Gmail ID separately, that is ruled out. The second one, you create another any Gmail ID to create another LinkedIn profile, another Facebook profile, and another Telegram profile. That is separate. That is for your trial and error method for your learning. Okay, for example, I will tell you. Let's come here. I'll put my LinkedIn here. So actually, my name is Jagadish Kumar. I created with another profile with JK. Now, if you look at here, I will have different groups. Okay. So like digital marketing. Okay. So people will do posts actually. So this is my one, my original one. Quick learn SAP SD S4 HANA. This is my group in this, but this profile also my profile only. But in this profile, but I will use it for my social networking, my Udemy posts, and my knowledge transfer and all these things. But I'm holding actually another profile. So in this profile, it shows that I'm working in one company. This is my second company, but actually, so I crossed more than 3 companies. That is different story. When the situation comes, we'll discuss about that. So that's not the story. If you see here, in this profile, once you create a profile, okay, you can check. Probably I will show you in future. So like let's type SAP groups. Okay, once you created a profile, you create like SAP groups. So here different groups are there. See this, my Facebook relevant YouTube relevant and Facebook relevant posts also, you can able to find it. So if I click here, once you join the group, probably some people take immediately or some people take. So for example, for this group, I am the owner. Currently 6 members are there. Now if you look at here, SAP ABAP Crystal Reports, and I have created 2 groups here. SAP professionals in USA and Canada. If you'd like to know what's happening in USA, Canada, someone is traveling for opportunities, you join this group so that you'll get some idea. SAP professionals in Japan. In the similar way, for example, if you take SAP FSCO, there's an 100K members are there, lakhs of members are there. For example, OTC, SAP SD. So you join this group so that you will come to another post. So you can able to search like this also contents. For example, SAP SD. For example, you check PDF. Generally, some PDF content is there. You can able to get it. So you can more socialize before getting into the real time. Okay, someone has done like email sales invoice PDF after posting. So if you want, you can able to go through all these kind of content. Okay, someone has done integration with FI and SD. So like that, you can go through these kind of content, so that it is like beyond your institutional knowledge. Okay, it is beyond your institutional knowledge. Okay, so the scope is more like how much you would like to do. You can read these posts, just join the group, you will get some YouTube video link, you will get something, some information, some sort of information. Okay, so if for example predicting customer outcomes with the transportation productive analysis, so that if you read this, you will come to know some content will be there, valuable content will be there. Okay, like that someone has posted something like BOM configuration testing. Okay, maybe SD ppm or whatever it may be. So like if you join these groups, you can increase your knowledge. Okay, so that's why create double profile, second profile. I'm only telling you, there is no crime in that. Create, if you have another email ID, better try, or else create new email ID, create one LinkedIn profile. Okay, so and here not only this, for example jobs are there. So like SAP consultants pan India, like that you can able to, some job opportunities are there, you can create one profile, you can keep it like that. Okay, that is different story, I will explain you. Groups and companies, this is one of the key profile, you specifically look into it. Okay, in the similar way, let's go to the Facebook. Okay, this is my second profile again. Okay, I have two profiles. For example, by default it is coming. For example, if you go here also home, you can able to add different groups. Now you can able to see SAP SD, SAP SD consultants. I'm SD consultant, then primarily I have added some groups also there. People will post it. See why I'm suggesting, don't try to use your regular email account for that. Okay, probably you can try to create another profile. Okay, for your socialized usage for SAP learning. Here also you will get job posts. So don't get excited by everything. Okay, get for example certified in first round payments after the pass exam. Don't get some fake things also will be there. Don't be excited by all these things. Okay, so in the, you can able to socialize in Facebook also, but LinkedIn is more trending. That's what. Just create with the same same secondary email ID with LinkedIn profile and Facebook profile, so that you can capture the things. Okay, you will learn. Okay, let's go next one. Okay, so let me put this one. This is Telegram app. Okay, this is India available. I don't know about outside. Okay, probably you can able to see these are the groups are there. People will post materials and all those stuff, and some real-time content, some dumps available, some advertising purpose also will be there. So you can able to see this. For example, I have my links are there. So let's copy this. If I want this, I can able to post like this. Okay, so if someone sees someone interested, then they can able to join like this. So for example this group, for example this group. Okay, so if you want to have a preparation, okay, like that. So I posted these links. In the similar way, someone will post their doubts and their help, like professionals will be there, upcoming students will be there, and create one Telegram profile. This is very, very important. Okay, so apart from that, what you can able to do it, search in Google. Okay, so probably like SAP groups. Okay, I think you can able to see this SAP groups. So some community groups, previously SCN1 network will be there. So now it's not offline, you can able to read still. Okay, SAP user groups. In these groups also you can able to join, so that you can learn what is a upcoming trend and a new trend and all the stuff. Okay, it will happen. So like that, you can, if you more socialize and more content you learn, more things what's happening. Don't worry, don't panic about like some nonsense posts will be there, like recession and all those things. Don't worry about that. You want only one job, then you should be concentrated enough to get to that level for your preparation and your attempts and all those things. Okay, so you will get an idea. So if you try more socializes, then it is very difficult. It is very difficult for not to lose the job, not difficult to get the job. Okay, so that opposite signs I have signed, it's in an easy way you can get job easily. Okay, so you can see, you can try my courses as well as SAP SD sales and distribution 100 hours. Once you joined all these courses, lifetime free. So if you would like to learn like real time basis, this is the course I'm keep on telling in my other YouTube videos also. Okay, with content getting master to write functional specification. And again, simply if you would like to learn stock transfers, this is the one. SAP SD business process cross module integration is this I have done in ECC and S4 HANA as well as. And you would like to learn intercompany sales in S4 HANA. Okay, so that also you can try. So probably like you will have a lot of content if you'd like to learn idoc 5 scenarios and all those things will be there. So try to learn more socialized professional way. Okay, so you can use this. So like sometimes you might get other stuff also. If you are looking for only sap links, you can click and you can read. Actually you don't have time. So people are telling when they were in job they were so busy. That is true, it depends on the project, but most of the times when you are a student level or early of your career, you would like to explore, you can explore all these things, including certification questions also you will get it, some guidance you will get it. But don't be trapped by these things like we can give you job assistant job. So that's why I didn't open all these things till now. So if someone is giving fake promises like they will provide the job and they will plan for money and all these things, don't get into these traps. So that's why this is like statutory note, it is coming from government, right? In the similar way, the uh, the instruction is coming from my end. Don't get into that trap and don't ask me again. Okay, you only suggested, I suggested go for the content which you want it. Don't, so certain posts will attract you like that, they'll keep you in trap. Okay, never ever pay single rupee to any A star. Okay, I star. Okay, you can understand what I am scolding. Okay, you try to check all these things. Don't pay anybody, don't get into the trap, don't get into the trap of institutions also. It's your time waste. If I already learned, if you really wanted to revision, better get into my Udemy courses. That is my suggestion. It's up to you how you would like to take it. Better do good practice up to the mark. And I'll give you one more important tip after a few days. It has time to go. So let me know if you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel so that it will be helpful to reach more people on SAP side. Okay. So thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. All the best.